Hello, dear friends of the mysterious, of the paranormal, of physical mediumship, this fascinating, energetical way of spiritual work, and of the Felix Circle, of course. We would like to talk about two terms and clear them up because they are regularly intermixed. The terms are apports and materializations. And maybe they are so oftentimes intermixed because one is part of the other. Apports are objects that spontaneously appear in the experimentation room or in the seance room. And what distinguishes them from materializations is the fact or the proof that they have existed beforehand at another earthly location. So actually, apports are paranormal transportations of objects that dematerialize at another location, become paraphysically transferred, and rematerialize or materialize spontaneously in the seance room or in the experimental room. This is what distinguishes apports from materializations. The materialization per se is also an object that suddenly, spontaneously appears in the seance room in front of everybody's eyes. But when we talk about former locations of them, then we clearly have to state that materializations have to come from theoretical spaces, like the afterlife, when spirits materialize, or ectoplasm-based things materialize, or from the plane of thought form, or the astral plane maybe, when different objects materialize. But we have to take care because when spirits help to materialize, even from pure thought form, then very much often, and this is an historical fact and regularly described by spirit communicators, then they are oftentimes using earthly patterns or earthly matrices when they materialize objects. This is how we can distinguish both terms. Apports are coming from earthly locations and materialize. Materializations materialize from theoretical spaces, but both do materialize. So this is the difference between apports and materializations. Thank you very much for your interest.